What's happening? What a go on? Welcome, my viewers and subscribers to the channel, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Thank you very much. Enough respect, enough manners. I'm so happy, me so glad that you all could be here with me. Make we talk about this. Make we chat, make we comment, make we share and like this video. So that means other people can get some knowledge and some sense out of what me I say and what I go on in the world. Cause you don't know, America in, not America. People in America, Americans is in serious trouble. We don't know what go on. We just have to just go day by day. Anyway, me could jump in it. My viewers and subscribers, here what go on. I could talk a little bit about the green card. Yeah, I will talk a little bit about the green card. A whole heap of things I say about green card holder and them are going to take a visa, the green card I mean, sorry. Them are going to take a green card and them are going to do a whole heap of things. But listen to it, me I say. When you come in at the US, see, and you come in, somebody file for you, and you come in at the US. Them give you a time. You have a time to do everything, paperwork and everything. And then you have to go at a place for them ask you question. See? So when them ask you the whole heap of question, them give you the first green card you get is a 2-year green card. 2-year. Now, my viewers and subscribers, you see that 2-year green card, it is a condition green card. Remember, you know, you know, must get the 10-year. Yes, you know, must get the 10-year because that 2-year help them give 2 year and it help them to still investigate you. Investigate what go on. Investigate if the marriage or if the whatsoever or anything is true. So let's say you no check and find out what really are going on and then deny your application to get the 10-year and you left the country and you way back coming in, them get your green card, you know, you show them your green card and thing. That's the time them go take it away from you. Because remember, you never check if your green card approve, if the 10-year approve. So you have the 2-year and you gone on the 2-year not knowing that you was denied. So once you're denied, them go take away the green card and send you back which party you come from if you don't understand what me mean. I hope you don't understand what me I say in a this party. If you get your 2-year, please make sure, say, before you leave the country, your 2-year is active. Make sure, check before you travel. Because if you travel and on your way coming back, your card, the 10-year where you apply for, never approve, you know them are going to send you back to your yard. Now, to the person that will have the 10-year green card, this is where the problem are coming with a lot of people. Let's say you live at Jamaica, or you have your 10-year, but you go to Jamaica go spend 6 months, a year, 2 years, without permission. Yes, me say it, permission. Even though you're born at Jamaica or you're born at another country, you is a permanent resident in America. So you cannot just get up and left America and go spend 6 months, a year, 2 years in our next country without Uncle Sam America give you permission? Lad, you think a joke? You need permission to left the country go spend 6 months a year or 2 years somewhere else. So on your way back coming in the country, you have problem. You in a trouble. You have problem, issue, trouble, because they may take away that green card. They will take away that green card from you. They will send you back to your country. To all my viewers and subscribers who agree with me or who know about that situation and know, say when me I say a true, comment down below. True, or if you think I'm not true, tell me say I'm not true. Because guess what? That not only a go on right now. That been happening in America from Wappy Kill Phillip. From long time. Long time that a go on at Jamaica, in the US, in England. Everywhere you go as an American and you spend 6 months outside of the country, coming in back, you have to explain yourself. Why? Because you never ask for that paper. You have to go in. I think you have to go in at the UC. You have to go in at the building, the passport place, or you have to go in at the embassy and explain that you're about to spend 6 months or more in another country. Give them the reason and them give you that stamp, give you that go ahead, give you that stamp in your book to tell you, yes, you can go. Understand? So, to all of the people out there, where I run up and down and say all kind of things, you have to ask question. Make sure, ask question first before you travel. And to all who just get them green card, the 2-year condition green card, please make sure you understand the situation before you go fly and go elsewhere, to Jamaica, to Africa, to anywhere in the Caribbean, and as a matter of fact, anywhere in the world. Now, another situation, my viewers and subscribers, the video we do was about passport. Now, a lot of people say different kind of story. Now, let me say this to you. Yes, people used to use them passport and go, and then use them another passport come back. You used to get away with it. Yeah, man, you used to get away with it because that, in other words, is them just make it go so because you have your US passport. Me I tell you. But let me say this to you. This is not the time to run that risk. Remember, this is not the time to run that risk. Listen, there is a lot of rules and regulation that are put in right now where them go try everything to take away and to stop and to send home people. Remember, 20 judge just get fired. Now, to each and every one, me go stop the talking right now and make you listen to these people. Listen.
I have a new travel warning for green card holders. If you have a 10-year green card or a 2-year green card, listen up. The travel warning is coming directly from the American Immigration Lawyers Association, and they say that they have become aware of the fact that Customs has changed its practice as it relates to how it treats green card holders who are in removal or deportation proceedings. They are now being detained by either customs or ICE when they're trying to come back into the United States. These are individuals, guys, who have a notice to appear in immigration court. Yes, green card holders who are going through removal. It also includes those of you who had applied to remove the conditions on your green card, the 2-year green card, and that process didn't work out for you. If your I-751 was denied, yet you were able to get a stamp in your passport to allow you to travel outside of the United States, you are also at risk of being detained upon entry into the United States. So it is advisable at this time that green card holders who are also in removal proceedings to not travel internationally. Guys, I'm covering all things related to the changes under this new Trump administration with immigration.
My viewers and subscribers who hear that piece. So it's not like me I try to scare nobody. What me I try to do is just I try to put the news out there for all who can't get the news or not fully understand the news. So you hear what she said. If you have a 2-year green card, make sure you check before, just as me said before, make sure you check before you left the country, because if you're in a removal meaning them deny you your application for get the 10-year. That sound like what me I said good? If when you apply for get your 10-year while holding a 2-year green card and them deny it and you travel outside of the US without knowing if them deny it, and you're coming back, them go take it away from you and send you back to your country, because remember you only have a 2-year green card, not a 10-year, a 2-year. Also, guys, listen me. When you have a 10-year green card, don't you have to reapply to get back your 10-year? Okay, so let me ask you this. Suppose you have crime and all kind of things. You don't think them go deny that green card, or you don't think them can deny the green card? Remember, you have to apply for renew it, So them can deny you 2-year and them can deny you the 10-year visa when you go back for renew the visa. Remember, it's a visa. It's not like when you is a citizen of the country. So holding a green card is never safe in any country at all. Holding a permanent resident, it never safe, because a permanent resident, you have to go back and reapply. When you is a citizen, you don't have to reapply none at all, because it's just one do, boom, and it's finished. So I hope you understand what me I say, what me I try to put out there, what me I try to explain to you. Remember, me not try to tell you no lie, me not try to get you scared, me not try to push anything upon you that is not true. Me just give you the logic, the truth, nothing but the truth. Anyway, also, Trump fire 20 immigration judge. So, how me fi put this? In other words, is Trump a try him best to do everything to shake up, to make sure it not happen. Because remember, right now, I think the US have over a couple millions of cases to deport people from long time, plus now, where it happen right now. So, to be honest with you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a very, very serious matter. A lot of people believe it's not serious, but it is serious. The only thing is, them cannot just take you up and ship you out of the USO when you have papers. That's the problem. It have to go through rules and regulation and law and court. But
News has learned that President Trump is pausing all immigration applications filed by migrants from Ukraine and Latin America. The Department of Homeland Security told immigration reporter Camila Montoya Galvez that further vetting is needed.
And with cases already backed up, the president has fired 20 immigration judges. Jason Allen looks at the impact tonight.
Can we call you? We can't call you judge.
I don't think so. Not anymore. Ex-judge, I guess.
You were fully expecting.
I'm just full of Carrie.
Carrie Doyle was expecting to become one of the country's next immigration judges, but she was fired the week before she was supposed to start hearing cases.
There are millions of these cases.
3.7
which is a
million.
big reason why you thought maybe I won't disappear.
Yes,
in all
exactly.
this.
Yeah, that was the thought. That was the hope.
Inside this unmarked building in a Boston suburb, Doyle would have heard cases for asylum, permanent residence, and removal, up to 700 a year.
So you just see people every day, all day, with these life and death decisions over whether they can remain in the United States or not, and then neutrally applying the law.
In Boston and other cities, those cases stacked up as southern border crossings surged. And while crossings have come down, the case numbers, Doyle said, will keep adding up. There are about 4 million outstanding cases right now.
Don't forget that cases come into the system not just from the border, but from the existing people that are in the United States. So as you ramp up removal, they're getting put in front of the immigration judge. So that caseload will balloon.
We asked the Department of Justice why Doyle and other judges were terminated. A spokesperson declined to comment on personnel matters.
And yet you expected this in some sense.
I did, just because we were sort of the last group coming in under the Biden administration.
Doyle had been an outspoken critic of the immigration system when she was an immigration attorney. It landed her on a conservative-backed group's watch list of political appointees.
I took an oath to uphold the Constitution and to do my job. I'm not there to be an advocate. That's what I used to do when I, was with the client in the courtroom. Now I'm the decision maker, and you need to listen to both sides, and you need to weigh the case under the law and then act fairly to make decisions.
And Jason Allen joins us now. Jason, there's this backlog. So what is this going to do to the existing backlog of cases?
Well, it would take a lot to remove those, right? It takes a lot to become one of these judges. You'd have to have a law degree, 7 years of experience, right, to do this. The application process is long. It takes more than a year to get some of these judges into place. And there are some studies showing that we need as many as 300 new judges just to begin cutting into the backlog. That's a lot.
Quite a backlog. So how does this influence the judges who are already on the job, Jason?
That's interesting. I talked to the president of the union that represents these judges, and he's talked to some of them that are still in their seats right now. And he described it as some of them on pins and needles, wondering if they could be next. He also talked about a potential chilling effect because it opens the door to judges questioning their own decision making, wondering if their job could be at stake, and also a chilling effect in any others who might want to join the profession.
And quickly, Jason, what are any of these cases going to go away because Trump wants to deport?
No, he has expanded the criteria for expedited removal. That makes it easier to move some people out who have been here less than 2 years. But anybody who's been here more than 2 years still has constitutional protections. There are international obligations as well. They have to have a hearing so that they can make the case that they belong here.
now, guys, do you all hear that? Guys, I hope you need to listen. I hope you all were listening, because 20 judge fire. You realize how much people one of them judge would not deal with. A lot. So to me, my viewers and subscribers, this is not a joking matter. And may I ask each and every one of you out there, please take it serious. Yeah, man, take it serious. And let me say this. you go hear a lot of different kind of news. Different people have different opinion, different people have different style. Some people are going to tell you all different sort of something. But here what I want to do. Go and ask your lawyer, a lawyer, some question. And remember, a lot of immigration lawyer also, them, how should I put it? A lot of immigration lawyer, them documents was taken, remember? And also, guys, remember I said this are 2 months, you know. January, February. So this is 2 months into this new administration, where one of the main objective of this new administration is to go after undocumented, not undocumented, undocumented people in this country. So remember, 2 months now, and them have 4 years. So it just start right now. This is it just beginning right now. So remember, you have how much? 3 years and 10 months more left for this same thing where happen right now, for happen. So to each and everyone out there, if you have your papers, make sure you check with your lawyer before you travel. If you don't have your papers, I can't help you. I don't know if you say to you, and I not going to say nothing to you, because that's up to you. So, with that said, and you don't know, I try my best to give you the information what I can give you. And as soon as I get the information, I will put it out there. But be safe out there. Enough respect, enough manners. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for comment. And thank you for like this video. Peace and love. And I'm out. Bye-bye.